Hello, good morning, good afternoon. What we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be looking at how we put decimal numbers in order. So we're going to start from the smallest up to the largest. The first job I've got to do is to make sure that I've got the same amount of numbers after the decimal point. I'll show you why we do this in a little while. 3.11. I've got 1, 2, 3 numbers after decimal point. So let's go checking that all of them have got 3. I've got 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. I've only got 1 here. So what I've got to do, I've got to build it up. It's got the same 3 numbers by putting 2 zeros after it. So now it's got three numbers after the point there. This has got 3 as well. This has only got 2. So I'm going to put the third one there. So we've got to make sure that all of the decimal numbers have got the same amount of numbers after decimal point, which we've now done. It could be 4 numbers, whatever the numbers are. In this case, it's 3. So now we've done that first stage, we can start to sort them or to order them. So all of them have got the number 3 at the beginning of them, so that doesn't help us much. So we've got to look at the next number. That's got a 1 in front of it. That's got a 0, which is smaller than the 1. So I'll work with that first of all. Check through to see if I've got any numbers that start with 3.0. The 3.1 no, 3.2 no, 3.0. So we've got a 3.0 here and we've got a 3.0 here. So we've now got to order these 3 numbers together here. So we've got this one here, this one here, this one here, all start with 3.0. So I now go to the next number. So I've got 3.00. Have I got any 3.00s here? So I've got 3.01, no, 3.01, no. So this number must be the smallest because it's got a 0 in the in that column there, which is the 100th column. So our first number is going to be 3.002. That's our smallest number. And we can cross it off our list now. Okay, so let's concentrate on these 2 numbers because remember they have the 3.0 there. So I've got 3.01. 3.01. So I've got 3.010 here. So 3.01, which was this number before I added the O to it, will be the next smallest. Okay, that then leaves us only with 3.013. We've done 3 out of 6 of the numbers. Now we're going quite well. So the next port of call is we haven't got any numbers with 3.0 now, so now we look at 3.1, which is the next stage up. So 3.11, 3.10, so that one must go first then. So 3.101, cross it off, and then the final one over there with the 3.1s is 3.111. Finally then, we've only got 1 left. So we'll write it as it was in the question. Remember, this was just to help us, these 2 zeros. So we'll write it as 3.2. So now we've successfully ordered our 6 decimal numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending means the smallest first and going up the scale. That is how we do ordering decimals.